Confused by all the modes on your Ninja Creami? Here's what each preset actually does and when to use it. Preset 1. Ice cream. This is the go-to for standard creamy bases made with full-fat dairy. It spins fast and deep to create that classic ice cream texture. Preset 2. Light ice cream. Designed for low-fat or low-sugar bases, uses a gentler spin pattern to reduce crumbling and keep things smoother. Preset 3. Sorbet. Best for fruit-forward recipes with high sugar and no dairy. Ideal for pureed fruit or juice bases. Creates smooth, scoopable results. Preset 4. Gelato. Uses slower, denser churning to mimic the texture of traditional gelato. Best for rich, custard-style bases or those with egg yolk. Preset 5. Milkshake. Thins your pint with added liquid and blends it into a shake. Always add milk before selecting this mode. Don't run it dry. Preset 6. Smoothie bowl. Great for thicker fruit blends like banana and berries with less liquid than a drinkable smoothie. Think spoonable texture, not sip ready. Preset 7. Mix-in. Only use this after spinning a base. It pulls candy, cookies, or nuts into the mix without over-chopping. Some models may have extra modes like slushy or frozen drink. Always check your user guide. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another question? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy experimenting with every mode.